Hello, my name is Javier Masini. I work for value management strategies, doing consulting for in companies that want to improve their value. I'm a certified value specialist. I'm also a certified black belt. But most importantly, I am an industrial engineer, and I want to share with you my expertise. Can ISE principles be applied to non-manufacturing sectors? Oh man, I get this question a lot. In the last 25 years, I've been asked this question multiple times, and the answer is definitely yes. We are not manufacturing engineers. We are process experts and problem solvers. And guess what? Every industry, restaurants, hospitals, government offices, schools, universities, even the traffic in your city, everything has some sort of problem to be solved. And also there are processes all over the place, and we have to connect them and describe them and measure them and improve them and control them. And that's the field of an industrial engineer. So it's true that it was born in manufacturing, but now we are beyond that. We're in the area where we can work with soft solutions like software, where we can use these principles to improve how a software works and make AI and software work better with the same principles. So definitely yes. And this is the biggest opportunity that we have as industrial engineers right now, using our principles beyond manufacturing. Of course, don't forget about the roots. Don't forget about manufacturing. Enjoy it there as well, because manufacturing is amazing. But we can exploit these knowledge and tools and expertise beyond manufacturing as well in the service industry.
Empower your career with the IISE Training Center. As an IACET authorized provider, we offer an unmatched range of courses, from Lean and Six Sigma to leadership and technical skills, all designed to meet your professional goals at every career stage. We can even bring our best instructors and courses to your campus, organization, or business. Whether online or in person, start your journey today. Visit iise.org/training center to learn more. The IISE Training Center, where experts achieve excellence.